Welcome back, YouTube, for another episode of Old Glory Garage. Got another good one for you today, since you guys liked my last DIY how-to. Today, we're going to clean up this old vise. Get the rust off it, and then put a little protectant on it that isn't paint. So let me show you what we're doing here. First step of the process, some all-wheel cleaner. Alright, now just gonna leave it on there to cook. Alright, at this point, a little Scotch-Brite, a little sandpaper just to rough it up. That's how you know it worked. Looks like this vise alone used to be like this, this silver gray color. This one here probably wouldn't hurt with a little bit more on it. You can see the gray blue coming out. See if we can get it to keep reacting. That nice purple. Look at that. How much cleaner this is. This would work well on pretty much any old tools if you want to soak them. And now we're trying to wipe everything off. Really got some bad stuff. I mean, any of the rust eater, dissolver type stuff. So getting that. Alright, that's pretty much it for that part. So much cleaner. You can see the line where it's painted before. Let me get this out. This comes out even better. Yeah, I think you take apart, the better you'll be able to get it clean. Cool, it actually comes out. So now I can clean inside of here a lot better. Next part, wax and grease. A clean towel. So this is a wax-based lubricant. It'll protect the surface, but also not collect dirt and debris, but also keep things lubricated. And then here's the final product. If I left the cleaner on a little bit longer, it would have took a little bit more off, but I'm satisfied enough that it took most of it off here. I brought it back to nice usable condition and play that B-roll.